Hey Google, studio lights on. Welcome guys. Today we're going to be talking about the Aputure MC. These things are amazing. Stay tuned. Welcome back guys. Today we're going to be talking about the Aputure MC. So the Aputure MCs are these mini LEDs. They're awesome because they come with a diffuser that you can sit on top, but they're actually rather thin, so you can fit them in unique places. They have a magnet on the back, so they're easily to mount to something. And they're fully controlled via either the phone application or using the touchpad that's actually on it, the dial pad, sorry. So this gives you the ability to change the color here, touch the hue, saturation, the intensity, or if you choose to, you can use the phone application. So the phone application is actually really useful because you can come in here and what you can do is just use this application to actually change the overall color of the light. So it's very, very useful. So here I can put it back on what orange is what I was looking for. And you can also do some different effects. So let's say I want to do fireworks. There's a fireworks effect. There's also paparazzi, which simulates a camera flash. There's a party light, which kind of cycles through different colors. And there's also a cop car, so I can simulate a police car if I want to do a police scene. There's fire, which will simulate a actual fire. And then there's a different pulse, which is kind of just like a pulsing light, almost like an alien-like light. And then you can also simulate a TV sitting in the background, or lightning, and a faulty bulb. So if you want to do something like in a spooky environment or something for like a Halloween movie, you can make it look like one of the lights is defective in the back. So there's a lot of control here. I'm not going to go fully into the application, but you get the idea. You can choose the colors. If you want to do just white, you can control the white balance here. You can also control the overall intensity of the light in this case. There's also some gel functionality, so you can do with CTBs or certain range of CTBs. And you can also, again, go back to the HSI or even to this picker, which is actually really cool. And I can actually pick a color that I want from something. So in this case, let's take something on my computer and let's try to scan it and pick that up. Now I have the exact green from the picture that I actually have on my computer. So it's really, really cool if you want to simulate a look from a certain movie, or if you have some kind of artistic look that you're going for that you want to be creative with that feature. Really, really cool. So overall, the phone application is amazing, works really well. It's called Situs Link, and it allows you to set up scenes for your lights. So I have two of these. I'm actually going to pick one more up because I think I could really use one more in certain situations. They're about $100, I believe. I'll leave a link to them in the description, but they're really, really useful if you want to be creative and add some style to your videos. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. I'd love to catch you guys next time.